Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're thinking about becoming an online coach, but you're not sure what you're qualified to coach on, you're in luck, because today I'm going to be talking about how to find your profitable coaching niche. I'm going to break it down in a way that is clear, honest, and super actionable, because let's face it, trying to nail your niche can be one of the most paralyzing parts of starting your coaching business. But here's the good news. You don't have to overthink this, okay? You don't need 5 certifications or a 10-year plan. You just need clarity, a connection to your story, and a real understanding of the problem that you solve. So if you're new here, my name is Simona Perendekas. I am a certified business coach and consultant, and I help professionals like you package and market their knowledge into a profitable online coaching business so that you can leave corporate and create a life of impact and financial freedom. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. So first, you are going to start with your story. Now this one is huge, and this is where I tell everyone to start. Your coaching niche is usually hidden in your journey. So ask yourself, what have I overcome? Like, what challenges have I worked through that others are still struggling with? What results have I gotten for myself or have helped others with informally? So for me, I started in e-commerce. My first real business was my online jewelry brand, Simona Perendekas, which I launched in 2018, and I took it to 6 figures in less than a year. So that was my cue for my first coaching program that I launched. It was centered around teaching women in e-commerce how to take their businesses to 6 figures in 1 year. It was a hybrid program that included a course and bi-weekly coaching sessions. Then over time, as I evolved and grew, so did my niche. Now I help women transition from corporate to entrepreneurship by helping them build a profit-first online coaching business. So essentially, guys, your story is your niche waiting to be claimed. Number 2, I want you to look for patterns in what people ask you for advice on or for help with, right? This one is usually hiding in plain sight. Think about what people come to you for help with. Are they asking you for advice on budgeting, career tips, resume writing, style tips, parenting support, health and wellness, emotional or spiritual guidance? Even if you've never charged for it, right? If people are already coming to you for something, that's demand. For example, when friends and other people in my circle realized that I had no intention of going back to corporate and I was making a very lucrative income from my home as an online coach, a lot of people started asking me how I was doing it and if I could help them to do it also. So that was the spark that I needed to validate the niche that I am in right now. So do not overlook casual conversation, guys, because these are often the gateway to your most profitable offer. Number 3, choose a real problem that you can help solve. Here's the deal. People don't pay for vague ideas. They pay for solutions. They pay for transformations. So a niche becomes profitable when it's connected to a clear problem that people are actively trying to solve. Examples: I help new moms sleep train their babies without the overwhelm. I help professionals ditch burnout and start a business they actually love. I help women heal their relationship with food without extreme dieting. Notice how each of these solve a real and specific problem. So when you're choosing your niche, ask yourself, what's the painful struggle that I help someone move through? And what is the transformation that they want most? That right there is where the money flows. So number 4, you want to validate the market. Do not skip this step, guys. Before you go out and you build a course, or you go on GoDaddy and you get ready to launch a brand new website, please validate the demand. How? Super simple. You want to search hashtags on Instagram, TikTok related to your niche. See what people are talking about in Facebook group. Type your niche into YouTube and look at video titles with high views. Then you want to offer some free coaching calls, at least 3. You want to ask for feedback. When I first launched my e-commerce coaching program, I gave away a lot of free strategy sessions to women in my community. And in those sessions, it showed me that people actually needed the support and was willing to pay for it. You want to offer free coaching calls, guys, at least 3, to get feedback. When I started my e-commerce coaching program, I gave away a lot of free strategy sessions to the women in my community. And it was in those sessions that I realized that people really needed the support and was willing to pay for it. So not only did I get clarity, but I also booked my first paying coaching clients from those free sessions. So please don't build in silence, guys. You want to test and you want to listen first. So number 5, you want to define your I help statement. This is where it all comes together. So once you've identified your story, the problems you solve, and the people you help, you want to put it together in one powerful statement. So I help who go from the struggle to the transformation. So a couple of examples. I help women leave corporate by monetizing their knowledge online, or I help coaches get to 10K months using my profit first marketing and sales system. So don't overcomplicate this, guys. Clarity sells. So once you have your I help statement, you can build all your content, your offers, and your magnetic messaging around that. So to wrap things up, guys, remember, finding your niche isn't about being the best or being certified. It's about owning your story, solving a real problem, and connecting with people who need what you've already lived through. That's what makes it powerful. So that's what makes it profitable, and that's what makes it yours, most importantly. So if you want more help finding your niche and building a coaching business that gives you freedom and a very lucrative full-time income, I've got a free guide called the Freedom Formula. You can grab it by clicking on the link down below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the awesome content that I drop each week. Also, drop a comment down below on what niche you are thinking about. I really love to hear from you guys. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, let's start building the life you were meant to live right now. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.